Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Enahoro Okhae, your emotional intelligence application coach and performance management expert. Today, I'll be speaking to the challenging times we are all going through as a people. Countries are in recessions, the cost of living is increasing, and people are struggling. I'd like to share with you potent ways to meander through this time and still live a beautiful life. And the secret is in how you utilize your emotional resilience. At the end of this, you will be equipped with the knowledge you need to develop and sustain resilience in times like this. So let's get into it. In these challenging times, the world is grappling with unprecedented hardship. Amidst these, resilience emerges as a crucial beacon of hope, a testament to our innate capacity as humans to not just bounce back, but also bounce forward and evolving through adversity. Resilience isn't about returning to where you were before. No, it's about growth and transformation. Consider a tree weathering a storm. It doesn't regain its former shape. No, it adapts. It grows stronger and more robust in the aftermath. This is the essence of resilience, our remarkable ability to adapt, to learn, and emerge fortified from life trials. Setbacks are part of life, my friend, but also is our extraordinary potential to transcend these setbacks. Resilience is the muscle we build with each challenge, a testament to our willingness to face discomfort head-on, to learn from it, and to adapt with purpose and awareness. True resilience means recognizing the storm, yet choosing to find joy in the rain. It's about discovering strength in our vulnerability and wisdom in our failures. It's acknowledging our fears, yet refusing to be defined by the fears. As we navigate these storms, let us make mindful and wise decisions that shape our journey. Let us welcome these trials, for they carve out our paths, revealing who we are truly meant to be. Together, let's embrace resilience, not just as a means to endure, but as an opportunity to thrive and transform. These storms we face today are the forces that would shape the indomitable spirits for tomorrow. I'll be giving you 6 actionable steps to managing resilience and a bonus tips on how to utilize financial resilience in living a beautiful life amidst the hardship that we are all facing today. So number 1, acknowledge and accept the reality of the situation. The first step in cultivating resilience is facing the reality of your circumstances without denial. Like a tree that bends in the storm, acknowledging the force of the wind allows you to adjust and stand strong. This acceptance doesn't mean resignation, but rather recognizing the situation for what it is, so you can begin to find your way through it. To do this, you can keep a mental or physical journal to express your thoughts and feelings about the challenges you're facing. This will help you see the reality and also help you process your emotions and start to think about the path forward. Number 2, cultivate a mindset of gratitude and optimism. Maintaining a positive and hopeful outlook in the face of adversity is a key aspect of resilience. This doesn't mean you are ignoring the negative, but rather you are choosing to focus on the good wherever possible, because optimism is proactively seeing possibilities in the midst of challenges. Gratitude for the small wins and positive aspects of your life can be a powerful tool for maintaining hope and motivation. Your action here is to start or end each day with a list of 3 things you are grateful for. This practice can shift your focus from what is going wrong to what is going right. Number 3, embrace change as an opportunity for growth. Change is an inevitable part of life and a core competence of resilience. Instead of longing to return back to how things were, view each setback as an opportunity to learn, to grow, and evolve. Every challenge you face is a chance to develop new skills. So what are the new skills you need for times like this? I mean both physical and emotional skills. In addition, expanding your perspective becomes very important. So what are the new perspectives you need to sustain for times like this? To do this, I need you to reflect on past challenges you've overcome and the growth that resulted from them. Use that insight to inspire confidence in your ability to navigate the current challenge. Number 4, seek support and also provide support. Yes, seek and provide support. Resilience is often pictured as a solitary journey, but the strength found in community and connection cannot be overstated. Sharing your struggles and victories with other trusted people creates a support network that empowers everyone involved. Reach out to friends and families and support groups that are trustworthy and can relate to what you're going through. Offer your support to others too, because helping someone else can reinforce your own resilience and can help you move forward. Number 5, embrace compromise as a strategy for adaptation. In the face of adversity, rigidly sticking to preconceived plans or expectations can lead to disappointment and added stress. Compromise in this context is about being flexible and willing to adjust your expectations and actions in response to changing circumstances. So identify which of your goals or plans are non-negotiable and which ones can be adjusted, and then be open to alternative paths to achieving your objectives that may not have been your first choice. And that would lead us to number 6. Take actions towards your goals. Resilience is not passive. It's about taking actions towards your goals, and this can help you regain a sense of purpose and control over your life. Remember, progress, not perfection, is the goal. So break down that big goal into small steps and begin to chase those little steps. Celebrate each accomplishment, no matter how small, as a step to help you achieving the entire goal. Lastly, practice prudent financial management. In times of hardship, managing your finances with care becomes even more critical. Financial resilience can provide a buffer against unforeseen challenges, reducing stress and giving you more options for dealing with difficult situations. So create a budget that prioritizes essential expenses. Look for areas where you can reduce expenses. Those things that don't matter, push them away. Consider building emergency fund for yourself. Even if it's just saving small amount of money every month, it will help to cushion you against future financial shocks. In conclusion, resilience during times of hardship isn't just about surviving, it's about thriving. It's acknowledging the storm, leaning on and lifting up others around you, embracing change as a catalyst for growth, finding light in the darkness through gratitude, and taking purposeful steps forward by integrating all that I've shared here today, and embracing change as a catalyst for growth, finding light in darkness through gratitude, and then taking purposeful steps forward. By integrating the practices I've shared with you today, you can build a resilience that would not only carry you through hard times, but also transform you into a stronger, wiser, and more compassionate person. Let's not just bounce back. Let us also bounce forward together. I believe you have taken some important lessons away from today's episode. If you have, I'd like to hear which one you'll be deploying immediately. So put it in the comment section. And if you have enjoyed it, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to the channel and click on the notification for the next episode. And until I see you in the next episode, stay strong and keep practicing emotional intelligence.